Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Acura TL wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is off and it's in park for safety. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and damaging the glass. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the entire old blade assembly down and off the J-hook arm. It should detach with a gentle pull. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm securely to prevent it from accidentally falling and cracking your windshield. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the J-hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once both new blades are attached, carefully and gently lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield surface. To finish, turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blades using your windshield washer fluid. Observe their operation to ensure they move smoothly and provide a clear, streak-free wipe across the entire glass. For optimal visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your Acura TL wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice streaking or chattering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.